Hi, I'm Cheryl Eisen, founder of Interior Marketing Group and Eisen Design House. Welcome to my latest passion project, a rare 4-story Tudor City penthouse with an A-list history. I love this place, but I might be a little biased because, full disclosure, this is my own home, which I designed from top to bottom. Come on, let's check it out. First time I walked in here, I knew this apartment had to be mine. I mean, look at these 18-foot ceilings and these walls of casement windows that wrap the space. Those windows frame beautiful city views, including one of my favorites, the Chrysler building. One of my signatures is a wall of mirrors, so you know I was going to include one here. And mirrors are a great trick to enhance your home's best features. For New York, a wood-burning fireplace is always a storybook dream. And this one anchors the room with its understated classic detail. It's impossible not to be seduced by this large, sumptuous, curved sofa. All these things come together to make this room equal parts statement and sanctuary. Another feature that got me when I first saw this place was this mezzanine. You'll notice every detail has been designed with purpose. The built-in bookshelves and curated accessories bring depth and personality. But let's face it, a mezzanine is about strutting your stuff, all while letting you play host from above. Talk about making an entrance. The mezzanine also has room for a kitchen and a formal dining area. To maximize space without sacrificing glamour, I installed this bespoke fluted banquette, which also allowed me to go with a full-size table. On the other side, I installed these soft boucle chairs. Their sculptural forms contrast beautifully with the straight lines of the banquette. Contrast in design always makes things more interesting. And the third thing about this apartment that stole my heart is right this way. In an apartment filled with unique features, this might just be its most unique. In fact, this is where Spider-Man 2 was filmed. And out here definitely looks like a movie set. There are crenelated walls, merlins and embrasures, and mythical creatures. Griffin, meet Chrysler. Chrysler, meet Griffin. To enjoy this space, I've placed plush rattan seating and sleek concrete tables. The perfect surface for a cocktail. My bedroom, just off the terrace, is where luxury meets serenity. Behind the bed, I custom upholstered these velvety panels to create a huge headboard/feature wall. I kept my bed low profile to give the illusion of a higher ceiling. Every detail has been curated for effortless sophistication and a celebration of the quiet moments. And my favorite place for quiet moments is upstairs in my private office/dressing room. It features textured wallpaper and a custom DC Italia closet system, with plenty of space for fashion and accessories. I designed a custom desk in there, but to be honest, I'm too busy designing homes to use it very often. But I can say, without a doubt, it is my dream closet. After years of designing some of New York's most stunning properties, it's always nice to come home to this. And I'm so glad I got to show you around. I'll see you next time.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.